Hello friends, this is the first video of Telugu learning series and I really appreciate that you are taking effort to learn a new language. That's really good. Telugu is a South Indian language widely spoken in Andhra Pradesh and other parts of South India as well, I guess. So in this video you are going to learn some simple words in Telugu. In any Indian language there are two ways of speaking. One is with respect and without respect. So with respect is like when you are speaking to the elders or if you are meeting someone for the first time. Basically if you are speaking with a stranger, it's always better use these set of words, with respect words. If you see on the screen, left side is the without respect and right side is the with respect words. So without respect is obviously if you are speaking with someone with the same age level or younger than you, you can use these set of words. So let's begin. I, nenu, he, atadu. Atadu is without respect. Atanu is with respect. She, adi or avida is without respect. With respect is ame. So adi or avida or ame is with respect. You, nuvu is without respect. Meeru is with respect. Nuvu and meeru. This, idi, that, adi. Idi and adi. Idi is this, adi is that. Come, ra is without respect. Randi is with respect. Go, vellu is without respect. Vellandi is with respect. Vellu and vellandi. Sit, kuchandi. So kucho is without respect. Kuchandi or kurchandi is with respect. Yes, avuno. No, kadu. There, akkada. Here, ikkada. How, ela. No, telusu. Name, peru. Why, entuku. Where, ekkada. When, eppudu. Who, evaru. Ours, manadi. Yours, needi. Needi is without respect. Needi, me. So see the difference? Me and me. Needi is without respect. Meedi is with respect. Give, yuvu. Yuvandi. Yuvu is without respect. Yuvandi is with respect. Fast, vegam, tondaraga. So two words are the vegam or tondaraga. Tondaraga means quickly, fast. Now, ఇప్పుడు. Stop, ఆగు, ఆగండి. So ఆగు is stop, simply saying stop. If you are telling to the elders, so ఆగండి with respect. Inside, లోపల. Outside, వెలుపల. But most of the time they used to speak బయటికి. వెలుపల and బయటకి. This is enough for today. Keep watching this video and listening to the pronunciation and pronounce with me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for further videos. Thanks.